in this video we will learn how to add your Zoom live class or any other live class that you want to create. So just go to the live class. So this is the tab where you will see all your scheduled classes. Like in the upcoming, you will see all the classes that you scheduled for the future. Okay, and maybe for the today, for the tomorrow, for any date that you already scheduled. And the ongoing, you will see all the classes that is currently in running. Okay, like if you have your class running, so it will be shown in the ongoing. And the completed one, in this one you will see all the classes that is already completed. Okay, like the past classes. So to add a new class, and one thing more, this is for the today itself. Okay, and you can filter it other classes like this week, last week, any other filter, but this filter is set by the today, and for the for the today and for the future of the 5 days. Okay, so all this list will become shown as a today, like from the 10th to the 16th May, if we are talking to the taking the today date. Okay, now how we add your live class? Just create a add live class. So in this, by default, Zoom is selected. You can select any other medium if you want to use. Okay, now add the title. I will give the title maths class for 10th. Okay, and this is for the today only. If you want to set it for the 1 week, you can select the to date from that also, just like the 17. Okay, so this class will be scheduled for the 1 week, but if you want to set it for the 1 day, 3 days, you can set it accordingly. So I will set it for the only for the today. And make sure if you're changing from date to date, like for the 20 days or a 7 days or a 10 days, and if any Saturday or Sunday will come between the dates, so you have to select the Saturday and Sunday if you want to use these days as a class. Otherwise, you can leave it. Now the start time. Start time of the class that I will take is the 12. Okay, and duration I will take is the 60 minutes. That means from starting the 12 p.m. students are able to join the classes till 1 p.m. That means they have the 60 minutes to join the class. Okay, it's the duration like the between, like my class will start on 12. Okay, and till 60 minutes students can join class, like in the middle of the class they can join. Okay, and this is for the class 1 section B. Now you have to add your URL. So where you will get your URL, just go to the Zoom. If you have your scheduled meeting, then you will find the scheduled meeting in the meetings. Otherwise you can create a new meeting. Start. Okay, so live class is started. So just click on the Zoom and copy this link, and now just paste it here. All right, now for which subject you are creating the class, I will select the maths and save. So my live class is added. Okay, and if I go to the dashboard, and when you click on the live class, the ongoing, you will see the class is running. So all the students are also will able to see that class. And if I'm a host, I will only click on the join now, and I will go to it will navigate me to the Zoom. Okay, and I will check my classes.